Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this today's tutorial video, I want to show you how to do copy trading on Bybit and make at least $100 per day. And I will tell you the risk behind it so that you will know how to manage your fund reasonably. So before I move further on this, if you're very new to my YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a like on this video and drop your comment. So let me quickly walk you through this now. If you are using your mobile phone, what you will do when you open it like this, just check somewhere around here, you should see copy trading. I think I can see it from here. And if you check, you don't see it in your own, just click on this more and look for it around here down. If you don't see it, or alternatively, you can type it here, copy trading. By doing so, you will see it. Just click on it. Bybit offers 3 types of copy trading and each designed for different traders. Let me walk you through it and educate you about it. If you are using your mobile phone, you will see something like this. I think you can see classic and we still see gold and FX and we can still see pro here. And if you want to access this using our PC, just come to this tool, then you see drop down menu, you will see copy trading. Now from this copy trading, now when I put my cursor there, I can see the options, the types of copy trading available here. You see copy trading here and you see copy trading pro and you can see copy trading gold and FX. Now, let me educate you about these 3 types of copy trading we have in Bybit. The first one is copy trading classic, which is this one you are seeing here. The first one here is copy trading classic. Copy trading classic is best for beginners. That is one of the good things about it. It's best for beginners. Number 2, it helps you to copy trade from experienced traders without any advanced customization. Number 3, you only set your stop loss and take profits levels. Number 4, is good for those who want passive income without complex strategies. I repeat, it's good for those who want passive income without complex strategies. Now let's talk about this one, copy trading pro. Copy trading pro is for experienced investors. Are you with me? It's for experienced investors. 2, it allows you to customize settings, use leverage, and set advanced strategies. 3, you can manually modify trades instead of fully copying them. Number 4, higher risk but also higher profits. I repeat, higher risk and also higher potential rewards. Now, let me explain the third one for you, which is copy trading gold and FX. Copy trading gold and FX focus on gold and forex trading. Then, in this one, the traders specialize in commodity and fair currency pairs. Then, the third one is that it is more stable than crypto, but it can still be volatile. Number 4, it's suitable for those who want lower risk but still good returns. Now let me advise you, which one should you go for out of these 3 types of copy trading in Bybit? I think beginners should start with copy trading classic before exploring pro and gold and FX on. Now, if you are very new to Bybit, you don't have account with Bybit, check the pinned comment. I will give you link to sign up for Bybit, and I have a video there on how to sign up for Bybit. It's just so simple. So let's go practical now. Now come to these tools. Then from here now, you see copy trading. Now let's click on copy trading. This one is classic. So let me click on it. So this is copy trading classic and this is the one I recommend for beginners. Now let's scroll down. So this is leaderboard. This is all traders, subscribe and so on. Now let's talk about the leaderboard. Leaderboard is a ranking of top performing traders based on profitability, stability and risk level. So look at it now. It has been arranged for you right from here, from there. I think it's descending. So here now is a best pick for you here. Now let's talk about the all traders. All traders is a list of available traders ranked by different performance indicators. Now you can see the nickname, 7 days, ROI, and so on. Now here we have subscribe. Subscribe simply show you traders you are currently copying. Now you will see something here. This is daily daily peaks. Let me click on it. Okay, when I click on it, you can see just two. What is daily peak? Daily peak is a curated selection of traders recommended by Bybit based on performance. Now let's talk about this one. This is top balance traders. Please, we are still heading to how to copy and put your money there and make money. That is not the problem. It's just so simple. Are you with me? Just so simple. This is top balance trader. This one shows traders with a balanced profitability and stability. They are good for low risk copying. So from here now, if I want to use this one, top balance traders, I can select this one. This is going to be the best of the top balance traders. You can see that it's descending order. So if I want to go for this first person now, I should click copy here. But I can see that this one is full. Look at this guy, this first one here. You can see 250 over 250 here, 250 over 250 here. This indicates the number of people copying this trader. So it's already fill up. If you check this one and this is 1 over 100, just one person. And if you check this one and this is 125 over 250. Why this one is 202 over 1000. So requirement for this one is 1000 and it's just 202 now. So let me use this first guy here now to educate you more. So look at this one now. Follower is 249. Trading days 599. Trading days let you know when this guy started trading, how long this guy have been active trading on Bybit like this. So look at the 599. So this guy is an experienced person, experienced one. It's just so unfortunate that it has filled up. It's a very good trader you should copy. And look at stability index 5 over 5. What is meant by stability index? Stability index measures how stable a trader's profits are and it's rated from 1 to 5. So the higher the better. 7 days view, this is 3441. Oh my god. So you can read through this person information here and look at the AUM. AUM simply means assets under management. That is total funds managed by the trader. So if you see higher AUM, that is many, that means this person have trust from the followers. And look at the profit sharing. Profit sharing here is 10%, which is very good, which means if you have $100 now, that is your profit, this trader will take 10% of your total profit and give you the remaining one. So that is 10%. Some people charge 20%, 30%, and so on. But this guy charge just 10%. It's very, very okay. But if you look at this place now, you see total assets. It's not showing here. Total assets simply means the personal fund owned by this trader. How much this trader personally have investing in this trade. So that is total assets. So you can easily click on copy and you can subscribe to this person. But okay, one slot left. So you can still copy here. It was 250 before, but we are seeing 249 now. So one person have dropped. So it's opportunity for us to do what? Copy now. So before you copy now, how will you now read, analyze trader before you copy them so that you not have problem? There are some performance indicators you need to check if you want to analyze trader to know if you can copy them or to ignore. Look for someone else. Number one is ROI. The higher is better, but should be consistent. Let me show you ROI. Look at this person's ROI. Very, very cool. This is plus 78.15%. And master's profit and loss, which is the total profit made by the trader. You can see plus 9,727.49. This is great. Then win rate also, that is the percentage of the successful trades. So look at the win rate, 82.91%. is great. Then we'll look at this one also. Maximum drawdown, win 290, loss 38. Profit to loss ratio, weekly trades, average holding time, RR volatility, and so on like that. Look at the profit followers. Look at it. You need to check everything green plus. So this guy is really doing fine, really doing fine. And trades, then followers. So look at the followers. Look at the total ROI for followers. Look at it. So doing fine. It's doing fine. So if after checking now and you are convinced to copy this person, just click on copy. When copied, and look at this person, the minimum is $100. So here now you can put your money here. Then look at your account, unified trading account or funding account. So wherever you have money here now, you can easily select it. Then click on deposit. After imputing the amount, let's say you want to put $500 there, maybe you have your fund here, or the second one. After that one, click on deposit, or if you want to do transfer, click on transfer. As for me, I have used all my USDT to buy BTC, so that is how to do that. Select items to copy. Is the USDT perpetual trades, trading bots is available. So the more settings is optional. You can remove this one and allow only USDT perpetual trades, optional. Trailing stop recommended. So check everything now. Then margin mode, click here. If you click on margin mode, you have options either to follow master trader settings, or you click on cross margin or isolated margin. So read through the information there to know what is cross margin and isolated margin. I don't want this video to be longer, so then come here, come back. So when set everything and you are cool, now we have all this one. You can set it maximum position margin per contract, maximum daily position limit, stop loss ratio, take profit ratio per order, maximum slippage per order, so and so on, like that. Then when set everything, click on copy now. But let me educate you a bit with some of these things so that you will not make mistake, just to guide you with these settings. When you copy a trader, you can customize your risk set. I want to show you key options when copying a trader. Number one is copy mode. Check it now, you will see copy mode. This copy mode allows you to set a fixed amount or percentage to copy. Then there is another one where you will see smart copy mode. Smart copy mode automatically adjusts your risk based on the trader's settings. The third one is margin mode. Margin mode gives you option to choose between cross margin or isolated margin. The cross margin now shares risk across positions, while isolated margin limits risk per trade. Now there is one where you see maximum position margin per contract. This one limits the amount you invest in each contract, and you will see maximum daily position limit. It helps you to cap how much you trade in one day. There is another one you see stop loss ratio per order. It automatically exits a trade when a certain loss percentage is reached. There's another one where you see take profit ratio per order. Take profit ratio per order, or take profit. It automatically closes a trade when a certain profit percentage is reached. Then you will see maximum slippage per order. It ensures you don't enter a trade at a price too different from the expected price. Then we have PEP copy stop loss. This one is a safety feature that automatically stops copying if the trader makes too many bad trades. And there is one which is PEP copy guard. It protects you from copying trades in extreme market condition. Then this one here, this is choose a contract. You know, I've explained all this one you are seeing here. I explain. Now this one is choose a contract. What does it mean? You can click here now. You see 313 contract. Let me click it. Now look at it. This is where you will select the trading pairs you want to copy. So look at it now. BTC, USDT, Ethereum USDT, and so on, like that. This is where you will select. Now let's talk about the trading profit analysis. Things you should consider, like should you copy this trader if you are not sure of yourself. Let me show you things you can actually copy and use ChatGPT to help you analyze the performance of the trader. Let me show you. You will cancel this one now. Now look at this person. Look at these performances. You can copy all these performances with the values. Copy them with the values. Arrange everything. Then send it to ChatGPT that please help me to analyze this trader, if it's going to be profitable for me to copy or not. And ChatGPT will help you, of course. And when I put it for ChatGPT, let me show you the results. So when I send everything to ChatGPT, look at the results giving me now. ChatGPT just helped me to arrange this thing and give me information based on this. Look at the metric, trading days, followers, ROI, stability index, and so on, like that, till when we get to this place. And these are the results of values. Now, good or bad, well, out of everything, it's just 3 of it that ChatGPT put negative indication. So followers 57. Okay, sorry, I made mistake. It's someone else, not this guy I'm analyzing, right? It's someone else. So now Now, with the help of ChatGPT now, look at what I'm getting. And I'm very sure if it's this guy, ChatGPT will encourage me to follow this guy. No. To copy this guy, ChatGPT will encourage me. But with this one, when send everything, for your own now, you may want to send to ChatGPT. Look at basic things I try to submit for ChatGPT to help me analyze this person's metrics. So look at it now. So let's see the result now. Say verdict, this trader is low risk, low drawdown, high stability. However, the profit to loss ratio is too low. Many gains are small, followers are few, which might mean the trader is not well known. Now copy this trader if you prefer low risk, slow but steady profits. Avoid if you want higher return and can handle more risk. That's just it. So everything now left with you now. What do you want to do? But if it's like this guy I'm seeing here now, this guy is good to go, guys. So now let me give you final tips for copy trading success. Number one is choose a trader with at least 6+ months of trading history. Number two, okay, let me show you that one first. So look at it. This is it here. Trading days. This is the trading history referring to here. This one have 599. Number two, look for stable ROI, not just high profits. I mean stable one. Number three, avoid traders with extreme drawdown. Number four, which is going to be the last tip I will give you on this, set stop loss and take profits level to manage risk. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. If you're very new to my YouTube channel, please do not hesitate to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a like on this video and make sure you share this video. Thank you guys. Please, this video is very important. I want you to go and watch this video. Go and watch. Very important. I love you guys. See you guys in my next videos.